Yo, my name is Harry and I want to teach you how to do the chest wave. First, sigh. Add voice. Try sighing lower by humming in lower note like Add as much air as you can, like do it as hard as you can. That vibration you are feeling is the chest wave. If you still can't get it, check out this video where I share a secret trick that will help you unlock your chest wave. I know a lot of you guys learn the chest bass because you want to learn the inward bass. So check out this video where I teach you the inward bass in just 1 minute.